Hello friends, welcome in my channel Color and Color. Today I am drawing a happy family. Let's color together. I start coloring from the face of mother with peach color. Her lips are red. She has brown eyebrows and brown hair. Let's color the father's face with peach color. His eyebrows are brown. His lips are pink and black hair. Let's color their necks, arms and hands with peach color. I colored the mother's shirt with pink color. Bottom is yellow. Father has blue shirt. I color his pants with orange color. I colored their shoes. Father has black shoes. Mother's shoes are brown. Now I color the naughty son. I start coloring from his face with peach color. His lips are pink and hair are brown. His eyebrows are brown. Arms and hands are peach. He has yellow shirt. His shorts are green. His shoes are purple. Their daughter is very cute. I start coloring from her face with peach color. She has brown eyebrows, pink lips, and brown hair. Her shirt is green. She has blue shoes. And here is a happy, colorful family. Do you like this family? Give a like and subscribe.